Unlocking the Power of Transmute, a guide to transforming your vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Are you ready to add a magical touch to your English vocabulary? Today, we're diving into a word that's all about change and transformation: transmute. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in various contexts. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. The word transmute captures the concept of changing or transforming something into a different form, substance, or state. It's a verb that brings to mind images of alchemists trying to turn lead into gold. But in modern English, we use it both literally and metaphorically to describe all sorts of changes. When you transmute something, you're not just altering it slightly. You're converting it into something entirely new and different. It's a powerful process of change that can apply to physical substances, ideas, emotions, and more. Even though transmute might sound like it belongs in a fantasy novel, it has a place in everyday language. Let's look at some examples. A scientist might transmute one chemical element into another. A writer could transmute their personal experiences into a compelling novel. An artist may transmute raw emotions into a beautiful piece of art. By using transmute in these contexts, we highlight the significant transformation that's taking place. To truly master the use of transmute, let's see it in action within sentences. The alchemist attempted to transmute base metals into precious gold. The conflict was transmuted into an opportunity for dialogue and understanding. The composer has transmuted the traditional melody into a modern symphony. Notice how transmute is often followed by the preposition into, which helps to specify the result of the transformation. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express the concept of transformation. Here are a few: convert, transform, metamorphose, change, morph. Each of these words can be used in specific contexts where a form or state is being altered significantly. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with the term transmute and how to use it to express profound change. Whether you're transforming your language skills or your life experiences, remember that the power of change lies within the words we choose. Keep practicing, and soon you'll transmute your linguistic capabilities into something extraordinary. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and transforming your world one word at a time.